Hey friends, this is Atif Opier and welcome to the new update on Chiliz. On a 4-hour time frame chart, recently Chiliz has broken out the resistance of this down channel. By the way, previously Chiliz was moving inside this up channel on this same 4-hour time frame chart. After the breakout from this down channel, it formed this up channel and it was nicely forming higher highs and higher lows, but broke down the support and now you can see it is forming lower highs and lower lows. But recently we have broken out the resistance of another down channel. You can see that while moving to the downside, the price and formed a very nice down channel. And now we have broken out the resistance. And now there is a probability that the price and may not hit the target to the downside for this breakdown from this previous up channel. By the way, the target for this breakdown was here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 6 cents. And after the breakout from this down channel, now recently we have found a short-term support. If I play this trend line here, then it will be more visible. You can see that we have rejection here, rejection here. Previously, by the way, it was working as support. That is approximately at 9.4 cents. If the price then breaks out this short-term resistance of 9.4 cents, then it may hit this long-term resistance of 10 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 10 cents has been previously working as a support here and support here and support here back in the month of December 2022. And now, therefore, it can again work at a strong resistance. After the breakdown, now it can be flipped into a strong resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share this very, very huge formation of this big falling wedge pattern. I would also like to share with you a very massive and huge harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Chiliz has formed on the monthly time frame chart. And by the way, this move I shared with my members on 2nd of June 2022. This is a quite long-term trade signal and still in play. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, a trade setup with Chiliz, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 21st of November 2024. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this are the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. This was a very massive rally, by the way, almost 104%. Now, let me to show you a long-term trade signal for Chiliz that I shared on 2nd of June 2022 with my members almost 2 years ago. This is a very, very huge harmonic bullish reverse Gartley pattern that Chiliz has formed on a monthly time frame chart. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line is still moving inside this potential reversal zone, and I'm expecting that soon it may hit the sell target zone that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley pattern. By the way, the sell target zone starts from 49 cents and goes to 78.74 cents. Now, if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, the live 4-hour time frame chart, then here you can see that recently, we have broken out this channel for the past several days since after 5th of December 2024. Almost for a month, it has been moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, the price line is rejected by this short-term resistance that we have found here at 9.4 cents. You can see that we got few rejections here, few rejections here, rejection here. And previously, by the way, it was working as a almost as support here. And now for the past several hours or days, it is working as a resistance. And in case of breaking out, we can hit the long-term resistance of 10 cents. And now if we take a look at the target, by the way, for the breakout from this channel, that is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 14 cents. And here you can see that we have already broken down the support of the sub channel as well. And in my previous videos, I've been telling you that if the price then breaks out this resistance of the down channel, then there will be a very low probability that the price then may hit the target to the downside for this up channel. That target was, by the way, here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at 6 cents. And now if the price then hits the target for the breakout from this smaller down channel here at the top of the channel, approximately at 14 cents or 14.4 cents, then it can also break out a very, very massive falling wedge pattern that is formed on the monthly time frame chart, on the weekly time frame chart, not on the monthly time frame. By the way, this move was on the monthly time frame, and this wedge is formed on the weekly time frame chart. And now, if Chiliz breaks out the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern, then technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between 90 cents to $1. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.